Hello students, in this part we will discuss on post-fertilization events. Post-fertilization events. The events which occur after the fertilization are called post-fertilization events. The events which occurred after the fertilization. The events which occur after the fertilization are called post-fertilization event. Post-fertilization events. There are 4 events in this stage. There are 4 events occur. इसमें 4 इवेंट्स होते हैं. कौन कौन से? फर्स्ट वन इज डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एंडोस्पर्म. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एंडोस्पर्म. Second one is development of embryo. Development of embryo. Third stage or third event, ovule mature into seed. Ovule mature into seed. And fourth one is ovary mature into fruit. Ovary mature into fruits. These are the 4 events occurred after the fertilization. We will discuss on all these events. First one is development of endosperm. As we have discussed, endosperm is the result of syngamy. Endosperm is the result of syngamy, which is a triploid cell. As the synergid or antipodal cell degenerate and they mix with the endosperm. And this endosperm is the triploid cell which provides nutrition to the developing embryo. The endosperm provides the nutrition to the developing embryo. But in some plants, the endosperm change into a stony. लेकिन कुछ plants के अंदर endosperm इतना hard होता है, just like a stone, such as date palm, betel nut. In some plants, endosperm convert into a hard stony structure. Such as, for example, betel nut or date palm. The scientific name of date palm is Phoenix dactylifera. इनके अंदर एंडोस्पर्म कुछ हार्ड स्टोनी सब्सटेंस में चेंज हो जाता है. दिस इज द एंडोस्पर्म. नेक्स्ट, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एंडोस्पर्म. Development of endosperm. endosperm developed by the two processes. How the endosperm is developed? Endosperm development can take place by the two processes: free nucleus endosperm and second one is cellular endosperm. First one is free nuclear endosperm and second one is cellular endosperm. Free nuclear endosperm. What is free nuclear endosperm? Free nuclear endosperm. In this, every time division of nucleus can be free, there is no membrane can be present between the nucleus. In this, the endosperm, or you can say that nuclear division or nuclear division is free or free. There is no any membrane present in it. इसके अंदर किसी प्रकार की मेम्ब्रेन नहीं बनती जब न्यूक्लियर डिवीजन होता है. सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल लिखिए पहले तो कॉटन एंड मेज. In cotton and maize, the nuclear division or endosperm can be take place freely. Suppose this is the ovule in which developing embryo can take place, and the endosperm this is contained. When the nuclear division can take place, then it will occur. So such like this one is the developing embryo. Endosperm division can take place, nuclear division can take place freely. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. इस प्रकार मल्टी नंबर जो इंक्रीज होते चले जाते हैं, फाइनली इट रीच टू द दिस वन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. There is no membrane present between the nuclear endosperm or nuclear division take place freely. This is the free nuclear division can take place in cotton and maize, so it is called free nuclear endospermic development. The second one is cellular endosperm. Cellular development of endosperm. In this, division of nucleus can take place with the nuclear membrane, with the membrane separate, which the membrane separate both the nucleus division can take place. In this, every time division of nucleus give rise a cell membrane. Every time जितना भी न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन इसमें डिवीजन होता है, उसके साथ साथ सेल मेम्ब्रेन होती हैं, उनको सेपरेट करते चले जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल पिट्यूनिया. In petunia plants, the division of nucleus can be take place with the separate cell membrane. Suppose this is the petunian ovule, developing embryo, and this contain nucleus. If the division of nucleus can take place, then it will follow such like this one, developing embryo, and nucleus division can take place with the separated by the membrane. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. इस प्रकार से सेल में डिवीजन होता रहता है. जैसे जैसे न्यूक्लियर डिवीजन होगा उसमें हर टाइम cell membrane will be followed, which separate the division of which separate the all different nucleus. The next one, it happens just like this one. Nuclear. Every time it forms a nuclear membrane. With the division of nuclear membrane, it forms a cell membrane also. But in this, the nuclear division can be freely, so it is called free nuclear endospermic. And in this, cell membrane is produced, so it is called cellular endospermic development. This occurred in petunia. You have seen that in coconut a watery substance is produced. कोकोनट के अंदर वाटरी सब्सटेंस कंटेन होता है, दैट इज नॉट वाटर, इट इज फ्री न्यूक्लियस, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ फ्री न्यूक्लियस. कोकोनट के जो अंदर होता है कोकोनट, ए कोकोनट कंटेन वाटरी सब्सटेंस. एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट वाटर, दिस इज नॉट वाटर, इट इज थाउजेंड्स ऑफ फ्री न्यूक्लियर और फ्री न्यूक्लियस एंडोस्पर्म. एंड द वाइट केर्नल और जो कोकोनट है उसके बाहर जो वाइट केर्नल होती है दैट फ्रॉम द सेल मैन. एंड द वाइट केर्नल which form a cell membrane. So we can see that free nuclear division can also take place in coconut also. Clear? This is the development of endosperm. The next इसी के पार्ट है fate of endosperm. Fate means कुछ ऐसे सीड होते हैं जिनके अंदर एंडोस्पर्म बचा रह जाता है, कंप्लीटली यूज नहीं होता. कुछ के अंदर एंडोस्पर्म कंप्लीटली यूज हो जाता है. फेट ऑफ एंडोस्पर्म. इट मीन्स कंजप्शन ऑफ एंडोस्पर्म. कंजप्शन ऑफ एंडोस्पर्म. अब एंडोस्पर्म का जो कंजप्शन होता है इस बेस पे ये दो प्रकार. वन इज एल्बुमिनस seed. You also can say that endospermic seed. Albuminous seed or endospermic seed. The second one is non-albuminous, or you can also say that ex-albuminous. Ex means there is no endosperm present. It is also known as non-endospermic. seed. So on the behalf of consumption of endosperm, there is two type of seed: endospermic seed and non-endospermic seed. Albuminous seed or endospermic seed. The plant in which endosperm is not completely used by the seed. It means seed remains with endosperm. इसमें seed endosperm के साथ contained होते हैं, endosperm present होता है. Those type of seed are known as albuminous seed or endospermic seed. For example, castor. You can also say that coconut as well as sunflower, in which endosperm remains after formation of seed. But in some plants, the seeds consume all the endosperm. There is no endosperm present left. That is called non-albuminous, ex-albuminous or non-endospermic seed. The plants in which endosperm is completely used इसके अंदर क्या था कि कंप्लीटली नहीं था, इसमें कुछ बच गया और इसके अंदर एंडोस्पर्म कंप्लीट यूज कर लेता है बाय द सीड. Those type of seed are called non-albuminous seed, ex-albuminous seed or non-endospermic seed. For example, pea. You can spell pea as well as bean, groundnut, in which endosperm is completely used by the seed. This is the development of endosperm can take place. In next part we will discuss on development of embryo.